It's early morning. Bandit's just now getting up. I ran out of creamer during my countertop build. Jana went to the store to get me creamer, and she wanted to make sure I never ran out. It's a big jug of creamer. So as part of finishing up the countertop, hi Bubby, as part of finishing up the countertop project, Jana and I are going to eat lunch, and then we are going to Home Depot to pick out some tile for the section where we dropped the cabinet down. Hi babies. And it's going to be such fun. But first we're going to go eat lunch, and Jana is looking at her phone because she can't decide where.
Yeah. We've got Olive Garden right here, and right there we have Red Lobster. So we're parked right in between both of them. So
yeah, and in between is also Hooters. Notice she didn't mention that.
Well, I don't really ever eat at Hooters.
Well, I know. I just had to share.
Yeah.
About to go in Home Depot, but I wanted to show y'all this rig. Elevation off grid is what it says. How awesome is that? Now let's go pick out some tile for my new countertop. Woohoo! I'm so excited about getting my tile. So you guys, look at this carpet and that carpet. I think I'm gonna do something like that in the cab. That'll be our next big project in Phoenix. Okay, so we found Easy Backsplash Solutions is what it says. $20 a square. And this might work, but it is literally just one square for $20. So we're gonna go look around and see what else we can find. Found another cubicle thing, and so the little pieces are $3.99.
Blah, 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 blah.
Or $3.99 each, and they look like that when you put them together. And then they have the little ones of that for $3.99 over here on the other side. But I think I need to go back to the back and get a piece of my laminate so I know what I'm matching up. Okay, that was on aisle 34. We're now going to try flooring. Have to go back down here to aisle 42. Okay, so far we have tried kitchen, bathroom, flooring. What else?
Now we're going to go look at the wood trim.
Now we're going to go look at wood trim. It's not proving as easy as we thought it might be. Okay, so 2 of my knobs in my bathroom have broken. Gonna get this $1.10 versus, come on down here. That's kind of what I have on my cabinets, but I don't need that in my bathroom. And I'm gonna paint that wooden one black versus $5.10. Yeah, babe. Okay, we got help and have exhausted all possibilities, so we're going to the paint department. Hey, so Jana, we were in there over an hour. What'd we get?
I figured we'd be in there for a while looking.
Yeah.
We got this one little sack.
And what'd we get?
2 knobs.
We're
No
big.
tile, no trim.
No nothing.
No nothing.
No paint. There was nothing that worked.
And we're tired.
And we're tired, and we spent a whopping $2.20. So Jana just got through putting Dicor and what's that other stuff called? Eternabond?
Yes.
On her roof. And today she is also helping me put on my stick-on tiles for my countertop, and that will make the new countertop project complete. Bringing out the paints, boys and girls.
That I don't have any gray, but I can make some.
You're going to make gray.
I'm gonna make gray.
You used black and white to match that gray so perfectly?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. And what are you doing over here on the side?
This is when it was
This is where the cabinet was?
cut solid. So part of the cabinet showed wood right here. And the trim was only this thick and it only came to here. So there was a little piece there so now I'm gonna work on matching the colors here.
That's amazing.
Little raw umber. Which I'm trying to match that color, brownish color.
Looky there. You can barely even see it if you have to look real close. Way to go, Jana.